this brush, so we can do like that, little brush for like that, tiny brush for like those, and then microfiber cloth. I don't know why I would do it, because yeah, we could just rinse it off, but it's better to not do it outside of what I have. Okay. Let me just move all this. And fuck all the haters. And I'm doing this for free because I need to get like work experience, so then I can like start a business, and then I'll know what to do. Okay. And bucket leaky, which is one of the great. Okay. Next, drill one of these brushes. That sucks. You can't actually get into there, but we can definitely clean. You can see all that grime. And next video is going to be body. See, look, my failed attempt of washing the car before all this detailing stuff. You can see like streak marks, if you can even see them, but I can see like streak marks, and yeah, I don't think it's very good. So yeah, we do be cleaning. Now we go from above these bits, and this is what I like about it, because you can like bend it and stuff. I don't care about my choices. It's gonna affect me. I don't have clients or anything. Oh my god. Okie dokie. Wait, no. And this is like 7 o'clock in the morning. Just see, look, I don't know if you can see this, but 7 o'clock in the morning. I think today's Anzac Day, so really good. And when I do just stand and clean up the wheels, I'm going to get all the brake dust off with some new equipment, which I've got, which is really good. Because how I know that? Because I used it on my mum's car, and then like it was all blacked out and stuff, and then my uncle, before he became a doctor and like a army, navy, he used to do car detailing, and I'm like, I want to do that. I've seen how satisfying it is, and like how profitable it'll make. And yeah, and today I'm probably, like, as I said, exterior and then the interior. There you go. Now, we go. Nope. Why am I doing this? Nope. Okay, so I use this one for like polishing tires and stuff, and I'm gonna get more. So yeah, sue me. I don't care what you do to me. And thank you guys. Like, I haven't posted in probably 2 months, right? Because I broke my laptop. And thank you of when I first got this GoPro. It's not good. I wasn't expecting it to be good. It's the best we can get. And then like I broke my laptop trying to fix the fans, which did work, but I broke the motherboard, which no brainer. And I would consider that as the dumbest move my name Beep has ever done. And new goal, I think. I think if we get 20 subscribers, I will do a name reveal and everything else. So, I didn't even get that dirty. So now, and I can just clean it. It will still have the stains, but it's cleaned. Well, I think. Someone fact check me on. Fact check that. Let's see. Oh my god, that looks so better. And now we have 3 more wheels to do. And yeah, I will post it in my next video. And yeah. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye!